Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down some of the most effective products in beauty and skincare. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best glycolic acid exfoliating facial toner on the market right now. The 7% glycolic acid exfoliating toner from Fovcos. It's affordable, high-performing, and suitable for all skin types. So whether you're battling breakouts, dullness, or just want a smoother glow, stick around because this might be your new holy grail. Let's talk about what this product actually is. The Fovcos 7% glycolic acid toner comes in multiple size options, with the 8.44 fluid ounce bottle being one of the most popular. It's a facial toner formulated with 7% glycolic acid, a powerful alpha-hydroxy acid known for its exfoliating properties. But this toner isn't just about removing dead skin cells. It's designed to improve your skin's texture, help shrink visible pores, reduce breakouts, and smooth out those fine lines that creep up over time. Let's break it down. First, advanced skin renewal. This toner helps remove old cuticles and revs up skin metabolism. What that means for you is faster fading of dark marks and blemishes, revealing a clearer, more even complexion. Second, firmness and elasticity. Many glycolic toners focus only on exfoliation, but this one also helps improve skin elasticity, making your skin feel more lifted and less tired over time. Third, exfoliation and texture improvement. With regular use, you'll notice your skin feels smoother and more refined. That's glycolic acid working to shed the top layer of dull, aging skin. Next, it's formulated for oil control and deep cleansing. This means it helps reduce excess oil production while cleaning out your pores, which can significantly cut down on acne and clogged pores. And last but not least, anti-aging results. With consistent use, many users find their fine lines and wrinkles start to soften, giving way to plumper, more youthful-looking skin. One of the standout features of the Fovcos toner is that it's suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, this product has been formulated to be gentle yet effective. It's unscented, which is a huge plus for anyone trying to avoid fragrance irritation. As for how to use it, apply it to a cotton pad and swipe it gently over cleansed skin, ideally at night. Follow it up with your favorite moisturizer. And don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Glycolic acid increases sun sensitivity. So here's our final take. The Fovcos 7% glycolic acid exfoliating toner checks all the boxes. It's effective, gentle, multitasking, and budget-friendly. It targets breakouts, texture, pores, and early signs of aging, making it one of the most well-rounded toners available today. If you're ready to upgrade your skincare routine and see real results without spending a fortune, this toner is absolutely worth a try. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments if you want us to review any other skincare essentials. See you in the next one.